What do you think about Nudist Camp? That's what that made me think. It's like, why would people go to camping when everybody's naked? Would Tantra have something to do with the origins of this? Because
It's
in
not
my
the
head,
origins, but I can tell you've never been. It's
well,
actually,
yes, I did. I did
oh, you
until I
did?
was 8 years old. My grandparents were bringing me, and I was good at la pétanque. There, I don't know how you call that. It's metal balls like this that you got to throw with a little red pig. There, I was an expert at that.
Oh, okay. I don't know about that. But don't you think it helps you to see all kinds of different people naked instead of just perfect people?
Well, for me, since I was before 8, for me it was just normal that everybody was just
Oh, okay.
naked. The part that I was getting dressed for, and I didn't understand why the guys stay naked, is when we're playing baseball. It's like I didn't want my thing just to shake around while I'm just running. So that's the only time I dressed, because besides that, everybody was just. So sex wasn't like I wasn't looking at girls like, oh my god, like it was just like that was his costume. It was so they normalized it for me and my grandparents. It wasn't like, oh my god, look at this girl, she's my age, or nothing like that at all.
Yeah, I think in places where people are naked together, I think it's not really all that sexual. Actually, for most people, it's just a way to try to, we've all been told that our bodies are not perfect, and we take that into the bedroom with us, so it interferes with our sex life. A lot of women you're going to make love with, or speak to the guys in the audience or the lesbians in the audience, you probably know that your partner doesn't feel good about her body because she's been told she's not perfect. She's not beautiful.
Or she compared herself too much because of
Exactly.
magazines, society. Yeah,
Exactly.
that's
So
so
your
true.
partner is not feeling good about herself. The guy's probably not feeling good about his body because guys have been starting to get a lot of pressure on that. Maybe they think their dicks aren't big enough, or they don't have abs, or they're not tall enough, or whatever.
They're coming too quick.
Coming too quick. They don't have the right bodies, the too much hair or whatever. So I think when you're if you have an opportunity to go to like a place where people are naked together, like nude beaches are great. Out here on the West Coast, we have a lot of them. In California, they're usually secret, but you can find out pretty easily. And you just go and hang out. It's not about people having group sex or anything. It's really not that sexy. It's just more people trying to get a healthier relationship to their own bodies and to other people's bodies.
Why do you think it's secret? Because too many people would show up, or?
Because they're illegal.
Oh, see, I didn't know that. Well,
It's illegal to be naked in public, so
oh yeah, for sure.
maybe that's a good idea because of pervs and
Yeah, people would abuse.
yeah, so maybe it's a good idea, but if it's in a healthy atmosphere, I think it can be good for people.
Um,